Hey everybody, I'm back. As promised, box 2 of 2019 Luminance football. 3 autos, 1 mem. I'm not going to spoil it if you haven't watched the first video. I would recommend you do that if you are so inclined. But I am going to say that I'm hoping box 2 is better than box 1. Box 1 had some interesting things, but I think it could be better. I definitely feel like it could be better. And I will tell you, I did not get one of the draft day signatures. So I'm hoping that this box has one. I don't really care who it is. I would just like to get one. Last year they looked really good. Actually, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, talking about last year's made me think, you know what? I was talking in the first video all about how the cards looked and what the difference was. Then I thought I'd break out some of the ones I have. I still have this Lamar Jackson parallel rookie and a Saquon. So I was saying in the first video that these cards were darker, and you can see that they were. And I have this draft day signature, Josh Allen. I opened 2 boxes of this when it first came out, and then the price shot up pretty high, and I waited for it to settle and opened another box for you guys probably 5-6 months ago. And you know, I could probably sell this Josh Allen. I think I've got it at my eBay store, but I probably got it overpriced. I tend to overprice stuff that I'm attached to, and I really like these cards. So I know I shouldn't do that because I'm not made of money. I have to sell some of these cards in order to continue to buy boxes. But, I mean, look at that. To me, that's just sweet. And that's the one with the special ink, with the color ink. So anyways, little walk down memory lane to last year's Luminance. Now let's get back to this year and hope that we get a good box here and get a draft day signature. Give it to me, Panini. Panini. And don't give me any more Auburn stuff. If you're an Auburn fan, I'm sorry, but I just can't with you guys. I just can't. I still love you, but no, I don't want any more Auburn autographs. I can't, no. Alright. Corey Davis, Aaron Jones, Zay Jones. I hope he's turned things around. Hang on. Lightspeed, Russell Wilson. Had a Russell Wilson insert in the last box. There's my friend Lil Jordan. Every time I say that, I feel like I'm saying a nickname that should only be said if you're like really friends with somebody and like really know them. Then you can call me Lil Jordan. But otherwise you don't. Tyree Jackson. What does this say? I guess this is Tyree Brady or Tyre. Rashawn Gary. This is a blue rookie out of 99. Justice Hill rookie out of 275 parallel. And a Dak Prescott jersey. That's pretty sweet. I'll take that. I love to watch him play. Since he was in the SEC, I got to watch him a lot. He was very impressive at the college level for sure. Matt Breida, Mr. Jared Goff, Phillip Rivers, who doesn't get nearly as much hobby love as he should. Alright, let me skip up here. Dan Fouts, vintage. 6-time Pro Bowl. Miles Gardner rookie. Brian Burns rookie. Caleb Wilson rookie. Kirk Cousins. Sony Michel out of 275. And Trayvon Mullen Jr. autograph out of 149. So that is hit number 2. I don't know if I mentioned it, but there's 3 autographs on 1 mem card. I know I mentioned it in the first video, but I'm sure not everybody's watched that or watched any breaks yet. So if this is your first one, that's the deets. There's Baker Mayfield. Didn't get him in first box. Drew Brees. DeAndre Hopkins. Nick Foles. Will Grier, rookie. DeAndre Walker, rookie. Travion Williams, what does that say? Travion again, which should have known, I just said his name. Cleveland Farrell, he's good. DeMarcus Lawrence, parallel out of 49, green. And Devin Singletary, autograph out of 149. So both of the autographs like this have been lower numbered than in box 1, so if you're just basing it on that, this has been a better box, and the mem card was better in this box too. Well, let's see what this last one's going to be though. Derrick Henry, who I absolutely love and adore. Aaron Rodgers. Josh Allen. George Kittle. Jonathan Abram, rookie. Mac Wilson, rookie. Who oh man, I miss you, Mac. I know you haven't been gone long, but I still miss you. Deontay Johnson, rookie. A Clayton Thorson, rookie, parallel at a 275. AJ Brown, I got one. There it is. It's like white ink. Hang on. And then AJ Green flash insert. So I don't know. I'll have to, let me see if I can find out. It's the white ink, the base ink, the main color, or is it special? Hang on. Let's see if we can find out. Maybe it says draft day signature silver, gold, blue, and then SP. So that is not silver, gold, or blue. AJ Brown. Now he played for Ole Miss, but I honestly don't remember him very well. The name's familiar, but I don't remember him like I remembered other players. I'll have to check. So anyways, I don't know. If anybody knows the answer to that, please comment below. Is the white ink considered the SP? Is it special? I don't really care that much. Like I said, I just really wanted to get one of these because I think they look so sweet. Let's compare it to last year's and see if it looks better. I think some people are going to think so. I think them lightening up the cards as a whole will probably please most collectors. I still kind of am a fan of the dark, but I can see how somebody would prefer this over this. But anyways, that is fun. I may get one more box of this. I don't know. I feel like I did okay with both boxes for sure, but I don't know. I still feel like lots of times when I open boxes, I feel like I've accomplished my mission, and sometimes they leave me wanting just a little bit more, and I kind of feel that way about this. But like, okay, Finest, for example, 2 Soto autographs. I mean, mission accomplished. Hello. I mean, so I felt really good about those 2. This is leaving me just, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Should I get one more or leave it be? Let me know in the comments. Everybody, I hope you're having a great weekend. I appreciate you so much, and I love you guys, and I'll be back soon.